Hello students, today we'll discuss class 12th maths and exercise 5.4. Today we'll find the differentiation of the given from your exercise, and we have a question number 1. In the question number 1 we have given ex upon sin x, clear, and we have to find out the differentiation of this with respect to x. In the solution, first of all we are let y is equal to e to the power x upon sin x, clear. Now differentiating both side with respect to x, clear. So we differentiate both sides, we get dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx e to the power x upon sin x. Now we have a differentiation, we use a quotient rule, and according to that d upon dx u upon v is equal to u dash v minus v dash u upon v square, clear. So first of all we differentiate this, and we have v dash u and u dash v u dash, clear. So find out the differentiation of this. So we have e to the power x, first of all it is remaining same, and differentiation of sin x minus sin x remaining same, and the differentiation of e to the power x upon sin x whole square, clear. Okay, now e to the power x and the differentiation of sin x, we know that cos x minus sin x, and the differentiation of e to the power x, एक्सपोनेंट फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन वही होता है e to the power x अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर x, क्लियर. इसे हम लोग और भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बट अगर आपका आंसर यही आप इतना ही करना चाहें, सो दैट इज योर आंसर. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन of your exercise. Now second question, again same procedure, let y is equal to e to the power sin inverse x, differentiating both side with respect to x. So what we get, dy upon dx equal to d upon dx e to the power sin inverse x. Okay, so we can write it as, we know that the differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x, so in place of x we have sin inverse x, clear. Differentiation of d upon dx e to the power exponential function remaining same, ठीक है. जो e to the power x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन है वो सेम वही रहता है, बट d अपॉन डी एक्स साइन इनवर्स x, अब यहाँ पे e टू द पावर साइन इनवर्स x और जो यहाँ पे एक्सपोनेंट में है उसका दोबारा से डिफ्रेंशिएशन होगा. सो e टू द पावर साइन इनवर्स x इनटू, और साइन इनवर्स x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा था, तो वो होता है 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, क्लियर. सो वी हैव dy अपॉन dx is equal to e to the power sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square, clear. Now third question, e to the power x cube. So we can write it as e to the power x cube. Let again y is equal to e to the power x cube. Clear? Again differentiating both sides with respect to x. So differentiation dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx e to the power x cube. Clear? और x क्यूब का डिफ्रेंशिएशन फिर से हम लोग देखेंगे तो क्या होगा, e टू द पावर x क्यूब का डिफ्रेंशिएशन e टू द पावर x क्यूब, और फिर से अगर इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन होगा तो ये आएगा d अपॉन डी एक्स एक्स क्यूब. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ वी कैन राइट इट एज e to the power dy upon dx is equal to e to the power x cube, और x क्यूब का डिफरेंशिएशन हमको पता है 3x स्क्वायर. सो dy upon dx is equal to 3x square e to the power x cube, that is our dy upon dx. Okay, now question number 4. So we have a question number 4, tan inverse e to the power minus x. Clear? So as usual we do y is equal to sin tan inverse e to the power minus x, differentiating both side with respect to x. So dy upon dx sin tan inverse e to the power minus x, sin tan inverse e to the power minus x. Okay, first the differentiation of sine. So cos tan inverse e to the power minus x. Again differentiation of theta. So tan inverse e to the power minus x. Clear? Cos tan inverse e to the power minus x and differentiation of tan inverse. Clear? तो tan inverse का differentiation 1 upon 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square, tan inverse का, और फिर से d upon dx e to the power minus x का differentiation. तो देखिए क्या होगा, cos tan inverse e to the power minus x into e to the power minus x का differentiation minus x, e to the power minus x and x का minus 1, तो क्या होगा minus e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square. Clear? e to the power minus x का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, देखिए e to the power minus x e to the power minus x dy upon dx is equal to e to the power का तो e to the power x होगा minus x, और x का डिफरेंशिएशन हो कितना minus 1. Clear? So the differentiation is e to the power minus e to the power minus x upon 1 minus 1 plus e to the power minus whole square. So we can write it as, concluded that cos tan inverse e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square and minus e to the power minus x. So that is our dy upon dx. Clear? It can be also written as one more thing, it can also written as minus e to the power minus x cos tan inverse e to the power minus x upon 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square dy upon dx. Clear? Now next question, fifth. The question is log x and e to the power x. Let y is equal to log cos e to the power x. Again differentiating both sides. So what? Dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx log cos e to the power x. log का डिफ्रेंशिएशन हमने पढ़ा है 1 upon cos e to the power x. Clear? We know that. Now differentiation of cos e to the power x, 1 upon cos e to the power x, and differentiation of cos minus sin e to the power x, and again the differentiation of e to the power x. Clear? So we can write it as minus sin e to the power x upon cos e to the power x into, and differentiation of this is again e to the power x. Clear? So we can write it as minus 10 e to the power x into e to the power x. Clear? And finally we can write it as d upon dx is equal to minus e to the power x 10 e to the power x. Clear? Now next question, question number 6. ex square ex cube and so on ex to the power 5. Solution. Let again y is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power x square plus e to the power x cube and so on x e to the power x to the power 5. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So what we get? dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx e to the power x e to the power x square e to the power x cube e to the power x4 e to the power x5. Okay, so first e to the power x remaining same, in second e to the power x square and differentiation of x square 2x plus e to the power x cube and differentiation of x cube ex square plus e to the power x to the power 4 and differentiation of this 4x square plus e to the power x5 and differentiation of this 5 into x4. So overall e to the power x plus 2x ex square plus 3x square e to the power x cube plus 4x cube 4x cube or e to the power x to the power 4 plus 5x4 e to the power x to the power 5. So this is our dy upon dx. Clear? Next question. Now e to the power x cube e to the power under root x. Okay. solution of this, we can write it as y is equal to under root e to the power root x, or further we can write it as y is equal to e to the power root x to the power 1 upon 2. Clear? Differentiating both sides. So what? dy upon dx is equal to differentiation of root e to the power x. So we can write it as 1 upon 2 e to the power 1 upon 2 e to the power root x to the power minus 1 upon 2. Clear? And dy upon dx of root x. Clear? We can write it as now dy upon dx 1 upon 2 and 1 upon under root e to the power root x. क्लियर? ये नीचे चलेगा, माइनस पावर है और ये पावर जाके नीचे प्लस 1 अपॉन रूट में जाएगी, e टू द पावर ये ऊपर प्लस में है पावर आपके पास, तो ये पावर को अगर मैं नीचे लेके जाऊंगा तो ये पावर क्या हो जाएगी? नेगेटिव. क्लियर? ये नेगेटिव है, नीचे जाके पावर प्लस की हो जाएगी, तो हमारे पास आएगा 1 अपॉन 2 अंडर रूट ई टू द पावर रूट एक्स. एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ रूट एक्स इज अगेन वी कैन राइट इट एज डी अपॉन डी एक्स टू द पावर 1 अपॉन 2. क्लियर? 1 अपॉन 2 1 upon under root e to the power root x, and differentiation of this 2 root 2 is 1 upon 2 and power of this is x to the power again minus 1 upon 2. So dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 4, clear, upon under root e and root x, and it can be written as 1 upon root x. Clear? So dy upon dx 1 upon 4 root x and e to the power root x. Clear?